Hi, this is Satiris Basakaropoulos with part 80 of our 101 blogging tips video series. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a pop-up call to action on your blog or website. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to log into one of the blog or websites. You would do that by going into your website.com /wp-admin. Okay, so I'm just going to go down and just do this quickly. First have to pick a site that I want to use. Okay, so let's see, pick a site that I want to use. Okay, so here's one here. Okay, so we'll log into our dashboard of our website that we want to put the pop-up on. Okay, and what we're going to do is we'll go to appearance, go to a thing called plugins, click add new. Now actually first we'll check on the plugins behalf. Okay, so we want to add a plugin here. It's called headers and footers. So we'll just go to plugins and click search plugins, headers and footers. Insert headers and footers. That's it. We click install now. Click activate. Okay, and then we want to go here to our software, and what you do is you need to create the website. Okay, so I'm going to click create the website. I'm going to add a site. I'm going to call it www.internetmarketingmadness.info. Okay, and we'll click add site. Okay, so the site's added. Okay, and then once we do that, we'll go to integrations. Okay, we've already got, you need to collect up your Aweber and integration. So you go to Aweber, you'd log in with your username and password, and that will now connect up Aweber to all your lists or whatever your other mail provider is. Okay, so once you've done that, we'll go to our dashboard and we will pick the site that we just added. Okay, and we'll click a new campaign. Okay, I'm just going to call it 101 blogging tips to build your online business. Okay, IMM, so I know what site it is, Internet Marketing Madness. Select the campaign. I'll create a new campaign. Call it 101 tips IMM. So you can set different goals. Okay, I'm not going to set a goal. So we can pick a top bar, we can pick a slide in, we can pick a center model, or we can pick a full page. So I'm going to do a pop-up, a center model. Okay, so I'm going to click center model, and then I'm going to click save. Okay, and then I'm going to click next. Okay. So here we'll see a thing called profile. So you can add your profile, put in your headline. Okay, so I'm going to write in 101 blogging tips to build your online business. Okay, so that's going to be the headline. Okay, save. So we'll just go back. So you can install the WordPress plugin, or you can add the script to your pages. It's up to you. It can be probably easier just to install the WordPress plugin and then you paste in this bit of code when you set the site up, or you can do it the way I'm doing it, just add the script to your pages. So you just click on the script, copy the script, okay, and then you go in to your site and you just go to settings, insert headers and footers, and then you just paste this bit of script in the header and click save. Okay, and that is it now saved. Okay, so we'll go back, we'll click next, and then you pick if you want it to show immediately, after you wanted to show after a specific time. So I would say 40 seconds. Limit to 2 views per day. Okay, and then you can pick all pages of your site, or you can show on the specific page. So say it was a specific opt-in box for a specific thing, we could have it just appear on one page, right? So if it was a post on video marketing training, we could have this opt-in appear when people go to the post on video marketing training. An opt-in could pop up saying, you know, click here to get this video, to try this video marketing software or something, right? So we could pick specific pages. In this case, I'm just going to click all pages of my site, and then I'm going to click next. Do you want to set a goal for it? No, I don't. So I'll click finish. Okay, so let me just go back to customize. Okay, so sub headline. So we'll add a sub headline. Get 14 years of blogging experience for free. Okay, that'll be our sub headline. Let's see if that. Okay, image, you can add an image in here. So we can add an image. It's going to be just a logo from 101 Blogging Tips. Okay. Click save. Okay, return to editor. Click go back. We can put a video. Okay, so I actually happen to have a video. So you can use this video, copy. All you do is get the embed code from your YouTube video, or in this case I'm using a Wistia video. Okay, so we'll put the embed code in, save that. Okay, go back, and buttons. Okay, so you can have a button to click and do something, or you can have an opt-in form. I'm going to have an opt-in form. Okay, so show name field. Okay, your name, your best email. Okay. And then what I'll do is when they opt in for this, I will send them to my first blogging tip. Okay, so 101 blogging tips, part 1. Okay, so I'll send them to my first blogging tip, and they opt in, and then the rest of them will all be delivered. I've set them up to all go automatically via email, and they will be automatically emailed out every day. Okay, see what that is. Privacy statement. Custom placeholders, what's that? starting today. So you put whatever you want on your button. Okay. And then we'll click next. Next. Finish. Okay, so we need to set the service provider. That's fine. Autoresponder action. Select the provider. So we'll use Aweber. And then we'll pick the list that we want them to go to when they subscribe. Add to list. So when they subscribe, we want to add them to a list. And the list we want to add them to is 101 Blogging Tips V2. And then I want to click Save. Okay, click Next. Click Next. Click Finish. Go to Dashboard. Okay, so that's how we create a pop-up opt-in. So what we'll do now is we will go to the website and we will wait 30 seconds and see what happens. Okay, so it's 20 seconds past, so at approximately 50 seconds past the minute, the pop-up should appear. Actually, the pop-up probably won't appear because we're not logged into the site. So I'm just going to log out first. So just log out and then we'll open it again. If you're logged in, it's highly unlikely that your opt-in page will appear. So it's always a good idea to make sure you're logged out before you do this. So we'll have to wait for a little while. I think it's 40 seconds maybe. I'm not sure. I think I picked 40 seconds. So it might take a wee bit before it comes up, but it will come up. Yep, there we are, and you'll see that's it working. If we click play, the video works. Hi, my name is Satiris Basakaropoulos. Today I just want to tell you what you will learn in the 101 Blogging Tips training course. During this training, you will learn how to start your own WordPress blog or website. Okay, so that's working perfectly. And then just go in, we'll put our name and our email. It should take us to the place that we pointed it to. And we'll click the consent box. Starting today. Okay, and then it takes us to the next page. So that is how you create a pop-up on your website. Okay, there's good news and there's bad news. The bad news is that this software will be a monthly thing, and it's a very, very good software. It does about 100 things more than what I've just shown you here. It's amazing for increasing your conversions in your website. But basically, you can get it right now, a lifetime access license for a short period of time. So if you click the link and the lifetime license is still available, you'll be able to get it through this special link through me today. You can't actually go and buy this. It's not actually online. If you go to the site, there's no buy page on the site even. So this is a special link that I got, an early bird link for a lifetime access. So what I've done is I've actually put this link directly below this video. Or if you click on the link below this video, it'll take you to the blog post, and the link to get the software will be below the video in the blog post. Okay, you'll be able to get lifetime access to that. Instead of paying for it monthly. And one of the things I've found that saved me a fortune recently is buying lifetime products, when they're available. If you could have bought Aweber 20 years ago, not 20 years ago, 10 years ago, and got a lifetime license for a few $100s, over 10 years, you would have saved yourself a fortune. The same with a lot of those shopping carts, you save yourself a fortune if you buy it with a lifetime license and you don't have monthly payments. So like I said, if you click the link below, you can get that now for a short period of time. I don't know how long it's going to be a lifetime license. They don't come up very often, things like that. So I would jump on it if I were you. That's it for me for this training today. I hope you found it useful. I will talk to you again tomorrow in the next training. Oh, if you haven't registered for the 101 blogging tips yet, make sure you also click the button, put in your name and your email to get access to these 101 blogging tips directly to your inbox. When you join up, there's actually 12 free gifts you get. Okay, so when you actually join, you get 12 free things that will help you to start your website, build your website, and help you with your online business. And you'll get these trainings directly to your inbox. If you're not actually on this list, there's actually some of these videos are missing. Some really good videos that I've done are not on the blog, are not on the list, so are not on the blog. So the only way you'll get to them and get to see them is if you're on the list, because they're in the email list. So that's it for me for today. I will talk to you again tomorrow in the next training. Thanks very much.